Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to share with you my Purple haul. So these are the products that I bought from Purple during the Monsoon Mania sale that was going on purple.com. So as you all must be knowing, I am very fond of buying products from purple.com, and this is also not a sponsored video. All these products I bought from my own money. They have not sent me these products. And I just love shopping from purple.com because there are so many good offers going on, and always some of the products that I want to buy I get on very good discounts. I have received all these products actually in two packages. So I have kept all the products in one package to show you. You can see. So the products are I have received in a very good condition. They were really wrapped well with bubble wrap, and the packaging was very good. So before proceeding, if you like this makeup look, you can see that I'm wearing on my face right now. So this makeup look I have created for Raksha Bandhan. So if you are celebrating Raksha Bandhan, then definitely this makeup look you can wear, and it will look very pretty, very beautiful, and very gorgeous, glamorous. So if you want to see how I have achieved this makeup look, then definitely I'll give the link in the description box of this video. So definitely watch this video, and if you like this video, this haul video, I'll be bringing more such type of videos, such type of haul videos, makeup tutorials for you all. So please definitely subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll upload my videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the haul, and let's see what all I have bought. So the first product that I bought is this one. This is Good Vibes hand sanitizer, and this is the 300 ml bottle, and you can see I have also used this much of a product. So now in this situation, this COVID situation, it is very mandatory, and it is very essential to use sanitizer for sanitizing our products. And this product is also very affordable. That's why I picked up this, and I have kept this in one of my spraying bottles. And whenever I'm receiving any parcel like this, you can see, or any of the products that comes from outside, so first I sanitize that well with this sanitizer, and after that I am using. So this is a must-have product, and I also highly recommend you can definitely buy this product, and it is a very important product now in this situation. And the MRP is rupees 150. I have also got a free gift with this sanitizer. I'll be showing you right now. Visit this Good Vibes Avocado Softening Hair Conditioner. This is 10 grams of product free with that sanitizer. So I just love it. Thanks Purple for sending me this one. So the next product that I'll be showing you is this one. The next product is this one. This is Stay Quirky Brow Your Retractive Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm in the shade brown. So this product I'm not that much happy actually. It is not a brown shade. I have already told you in my recent makeup tutorial as well. Like in that video I have tried so many new products, so I have also used this pencil in that video. So this is not a proper brown shade. It is a gray sort of shade, and it doesn't look that good on my eyebrows. Doesn't feel eyebrows properly. It is a very light shade. So the cost of this eyebrow pencil is rupees 199, but I have got this for rupees 149 during the sale. And along with this I have received this Stay Quirky Badass Blue Kajal as a free gift. So already I have this kajal with me, and that one I'm using right now. Definitely I'm going to use this product and in my makeup tutorials, and I'll be showing you the pigmentation and everything. So this kajal is actually a very good quality, and the MRP is rupees 175, and the net weight is 0.25 grams. So the next product that I have is this one. This is Alps Goodness Pearl Glow Facial Kit with Sandalwood. So as you all must be knowing, this brand, this Alps Goodness brand, is a very good skincare brand, and it is a very good affordable skincare brand. And mainly if you're a teenager or a college going student, then in that case you can definitely take Alps Goodness products. They're very good, they're very effective, and I have been using them. So this one you can see, this is a very good product. I've heard so many good things, so I wanted to try this, so I have bought this one. And definitely I'll be doing a full review of this product, and I'll be sharing with you how to do facial at home. So the MRP of this product is rupees 135, but as usual Alps Goodness products are always available on very good discount on purple.com. So I have also got this product on a very good discount. The next product that I have is this one. This is Alps Goodness Swiss Love Pomegranate Rejuvenating Serum. So this is a new launch from Alps Goodness, so I thought of trying out this serum. And this one I am also trying from the last 1 week, and I'm loving this serum. This makes skin so soft, so radiant and glowy. So instead of primer, you can apply this serum on your face before applying any makeup, and it will make your face very smooth. And I liked it so much. Consistency is actually very watery, and it is not very oily. So if you are having very oily skin, in that case also you can go for this serum. You need to apply some 1 to 2 drops on your face and you are good to go. So this serum is very good. I just loved it so much, and this is a 10 ml product. The MRP of this serum is rupees 155, but I've got this on a very good discount. There was some 25% discount on this product, so I grabbed this. So the next product that I have is this one. This is Alps Goodness Swiss Love Charcoal Face Scrub. So this is a new launch from Alps Goodness. The charcoal range is a new launch from Alps Goodness. So definitely I'm going to try this product, and I will share with you how this product has performed on me. The cost of this scrub is rupees 99. It is very affordable, but this one also I got on a flat 25% discount. So the next product that I have is also from Alps Goodness. This is Alps Goodness Charcoal Face Wash, and this is the 100 ml tube. So as you must be knowing, charcoal actually deeply cleanses our skin, and it also clears clogged pores. So this face wash also I wanted to try because it was a new launch, and Alps Goodness sandalwood face wash is my favorite. So I thought of trying this face wash as well. So the cost of this is rupees 130, but this one also was on 25% discount. So the next product is also from Alps Goodness. So this is Alps Goodness Aloe Vera Toner. You can see. So this is the 100 ml bottle, and this one I haven't tried. You can see I haven't opened it. It is sealed. So Alps Goodness toners are my all-time favorite. They are very hydrating. They give you instant glow, and they are so refreshing. So I love to use their toners. So I bought this toner as well. So the cost of this toner is rupees 125, and it was available I think some 10 to 20% discount was there on this product. So I took this, and this is my regular use product. That's why I took this. So the next product is this one. This is a Blue Heaven Sapphire Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade 01 Golden Limelight. So this one also I have tried in my recent makeup tutorial. In that makeup tutorial I have said all the new products, and this one I have used to achieve a very beautiful golden eye look. So this is a very beautiful shade, and I highly recommend to you all. And this shade is also very good for parties. So if you want to take anything for parties, wedding or festive occasion, then definitely you can take this eyeshadow. It gives such gorgeous and glamorous eye look. I just loved it so much, and the quality is also very good, and it is very affordable. The price of this eyeshadow is rupees 175, but I got this I think for rupees 131. There is some 25% discount going on Blue Heaven products. So at that time I took this, and I'm very happy with this product. So the next product that I have is this one. This is NY Bay Nail Lacquer in the shade 16 Empire State Moonlight. So this is a very beautiful grayish silver glitter shade, and it looks so pretty on nails. I'm very happy with this nail paint, and it is also very affordable. The price is I'm telling you, the price is rupees 75, but this was also on a good discount at the time of sale, so I took this. And this is a highly recommended product. I highly recommend you this shade to look so gorgeous, so glittery, so beautiful. So I just liked it so much. So these are all the products that I have taken from Purplle. So along with that I have got this Dawn Duck antibacterial hand sanitizer 50 ml free gift. So this is also a very useful product, so I'm definitely going to use this. So I forgot to mention you guys that I have also got some products from Flipkart, one product from Flipkart and 2 products from Amazon. So I'm going to show you them right now. So this is you can see this one. So this is a set of 10 eyelash pairs. You can see artificial eyelash pairs. So I'm also wearing one from this on my eyes right now. You can see these are of very high quality, and all the 10 pairs are of different styles. You can see So if you want to buy anything, any eyelashes on budget, then definitely I highly recommend these eyelashes to you. These are a very good quality. And I've got all these 10 pair of eyelashes from Amazon for only rupees 205. So I will definitely give the link in the description box if you want to buy this set of eyelashes. So the next product is also from Amazon. So this one I have taken from Amazon. This is Swiss Beauty Fusion Highlighter. So this is also a new launch from Swiss Beauty. So I bought this particular highlighter because I wanted to try it. And as you all must be knowing, I'm literally so much obsessed with Swiss Beauty products. Swiss Beauty products are so good in quality, and they are very affordable. And packaging also, you can see it's so beautiful. So definitely I will be sharing a full review of this product with you. So this is the shade 04. This is a golden sort of highlighter, you can see. So the last product that I have with me is a concealer, and this is Maybelline concealer, Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. This is my shade, and this one I've taken from Flipkart. So on Flipkart it was available on a very good price. I have got this concealer for only rupees 250. So I have stocked up actually my concealer. You can see this is over, so that's why I have taken this one. And this is also a very good concealer, and it hides dark circles, and it blends really very easily. It is too creamy, and I just love the coverage is also very good, so I love this concealer. That's why I have taken this. So if you want to see a separate review of any of these products that I have shown in this haul, then please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do a video and I will share with you. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.